Hey guys, this is the Russell house. Just making a video. It's not quite sold yet. I think what we're probably going to do is a 80% boiler. Here, there's no good spot for venting. And we're going to add some baseboard in the basement. I'll show you that in a second. I'm not sure if we're going to redo all the trim with a board or if we're going to connect what they have now. So I'll show you all the piping size. Just keep that in mind. So I've got 4 zones, all 3/4 inch here on the return and the supply, 3/4. This flue is 5 inch, and then it goes to this oval, which is 12 by 8. Here's some brand info for you. It's Acme, right there. They have this intake, which we'll keep. And we're gonna add a zone out here in this room I'm standing in. They're gonna be building a closet out on this end of the wall. So I'm thinking 12 feet for over here and 7 feet for this side, because that'll get us to this lip where it drops down. So I think that would look bad to try and keep going there because it's a good 2-3 inch drop. So we want to stop before we get to the end of that lip. And we'll have room on the other side of this door to get to that 7 foot. And then for the 12 foot, I'm just kind of guesstimating as far as what they'd have for a closet. We'd have 12 feet before we get to that edge of the wall. And Michelle said we could bring the pipes exposed down low in front of the baseboard and just keep them open, turning the corner. And when they build their closet, they will soffit around them. So we'll keep those exposed. Maybe just insulate them for now or something. And then thermostat, I'll let you guys pick where you want that. What else can I say? The water heater's new, that's going to stay. And gas pipe is 3/4 inch. It's right here. Are you going to take the boiler out with RHB out this door, and then there's some stairs up outside? Guys, one more thing, the washing machine has these hot and colds that are too short. Those are 4 foots. We want to bring something longer that can wrap back around the side and around the back and not have to go across the front like this. So if these are 4, I would say 6 foot would be fine for that. Maybe 8 foot to be safe. All right, that's